Hello, my name is Remi Dairo, and my friends call me Mr. Productivity. Okay, today I'll be doing something very simple, and I'm in Houston. I'm in Ion and downtown Houston today, and it's hot. The weather is so hot. I just came out of the building. I just to do this, and I'll be talking about how to be productive in a hot weather. In the hot weather, it's summer like this, when everywhere is hot, the sun is so hot, and the atmosphere is very intense, so to say. But when you go inside the hall, go inside the building, of course, there's air conditioning system in there. You can feel cool, but when you go outside, it's very hot. So people are asking me, how can you be productive in a hot weather? What can you do to be productive when the weather is so hot? Okay, and I'm going to just share a few thoughts with you, and that will be the essence of this of this training. Number one, create a comfortable workspace or environment. You have to create a comfortable workspace or environment to work. So if you know that you want to work, you have to find out, where do I want to work? If you work under a shed and you know it's very hot, find a place where you can hide yourself, or you can be under a nice atmosphere and air conditioning system where you can protect yourself from the heat or from the harshness of the weather. So very important, you have to create for yourself a very nice environment to work where you have a cool environment. So you might need to put on the AC, you might need to put on the fan, you might need to put on open up a nice atmosphere where you are comfortable working. Because if you don't do that, you'll be frustrated by the heat, and then you might need to leave your work or just drop the project or drop the whatever thing you are doing and run off. Why? Because it's too hot. So you have to create a comfortable workspace or environment for you to work. Number two, you have to stay hydrated. You have to stay hydrated. You have to stay hydrated. So what does that mean? You have to find a time where you have to drink water. You have to have a bottle of water around you. You have to stop once in a while to say, can I get something to drink? And then I will say this, that you don't need to take probably you don't need to take so much things that will make you drowsy or make you look tired. At this time of being hydrated is to have water, taking enough water and taking as much as you can, because your body will be asking for water. Your body will be asking, your body is hot, and you might need to do something to make your body have enough water. So please stay hydrated. Very, very important. Number three, plan your day strategically. You have to plan your day strategically. You have to strategically plan your day. How do I go through my day? If I leave this place, I'm going to this place, I'm driving to this place, I'm going to this place. You have to plan. So how long will I stay in the sun? How long do I stay in the harsh weather or in the hot weather? How long do I have to stay before I have to enter the office or enter my car or enter a room where there is where the environment is conducive for me? You have to plan your day before you even move at all. Number four, you have to take regular break. You have to take regular break. You work and work and work and work. You get tired, stand up, walk around, move around, do some other things, and keep yourself intact. Make sure you take regular break. Don't just work long time. If you work long time, don't get so tired. Have a regular break. Number five, dress comfortably. If you see what I'm wearing now, I'm just it's free. I'm comfortable with this. I can have some fresh air. I feel don't go and tie up your suit, tie, and then you are feeling uncomfortable. That's very weird and then very uncomfortable for you. So you're going for presentation. Of course, you need to look corporate. But then if you're going to go out somewhere, you can keep your suit inside the car, put your tie inside the car or somewhere, and then when you don't have to do all that, you might need to just dress down and be comfortable as much as possible. But you must know that productivity is what's expected of you anytime, at any time of the weather. So it's not that during this kind of weather you have to show that. No, you must know that any time of the weather you must be productive. So you must constantly think, how do I become productive even when the weather is hot, weather is cold, weather is normal? Productivity is key. I hope you're able to learn one or two things. All right, please drop your comments and let me know what you think. Have a good one.